Ayan here. So, share ko lang po sa inyo ang ating pasalubong haul from Cathy and Tin from London. Ayan po. So, first is this beautiful, napakaganda pong rosary. Ayan po. So beautiful. Ayan, all the way from London. Ayan, ang ganda po. Oh. Diba? Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tin, for this beautiful rosary from London. And, yan, sabi ko po kasi, yan, ang aking collection of ref magnets. So, ito yung mga additional ref magnet natin from London. Ayan. Ito, parang meron na tayo. We got it from an office mate. And, keychain. Ayan, may keychain din po tayo. So, yun ang ating London haul. Thank you, Tin. Thank you, Cathy, for this. Stay safe. God bless you more so you can bless us more. See you on our next video. Thank you for watching.